I hate declining my mom. Is anyone else like that? I hate like pressing ignore or something if I'm on the phone or something, but I'm gonna record this and call her back. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and on today's video we are going to be talking about fashion. I know a few guys have been missing my fashion videos, but I am going to be incorporating hair, fashion, and literally lifestyle. So the goal of mine is to have Wig Wednesdays, Fashion Fridays, and then any other content that I want to throw out on maybe Sundays or something like that. So that's my goal. I'm trying to stick to it. But that's what I'm trying to do. So today we are back into the plus size fashions. Now a lot of people really enjoy my fashion videos, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to shop your closet again and style one dress, one piece of clothing in your closet that's very versatile as far as the dress is concerned, and wear it different ways in the fall. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of my pieces repeatedly. I don't shop to buy what's in trend necessarily, unless I can literally like transition it to different seasons, or if I'm just going to wear it that season, I'm going to be able to wear it the next season. Like if I buy something for summer, maybe like a certain kind of dress, and it's really just for summer, or a skirt or something like that, I want to be able to wear it the next summer. Like I'm not really into shopping too trendy, if you guys understand, especially for fall and winter, because that's when I really like show my style. Summer I have a little bit more fun, and fall and winter is really where I'm going to be showing like my style. This is the dress I have on. I'm going to pop up a video of the dress that I have on in a picture. This dress is from Shein. This is a 4X. To me, I could have went a size up in this dress, but then again, it does fit really good. It's just really like it snatches you in the neck. I had to like tug on it, just, you know, rip the seams just a little bit, just to give me a little bit more comfort. So for this dress, I'm going to style it, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways. So the first way I styled it was with this cardigan, a shacket like thing. I showed you guys this a while ago. My sister gave me this a while ago because I think it's too oversized. This also, to be honest, this does itch. I'm not gonna lie, this is a itchy material. So if you don't like this material, I'm not sure. I don't know if you will want to buy it unless you're wearing long sleeve. Now with this, I probably would have to wear long sleeves, but me, for the love of fashion, I probably still wear it just with this dress how I had it on. But it was a little itchy, to be honest. So this is from Boohoo. And this is an oversized shacket, and as you guys can tell, these colors literally go great together. That's why I really like it. And I'm gonna, you guys, first of all, none of my stuff I really I have on shoes, because first of all, I'm in my house, so shoes are not allowed in my house. And also, y'all, I need to get my boot game together. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a haul soon, hopefully, of some boots. I have to get some different kind of boots. I have to, and I'm gonna probably get them from Tourist, so stay on the lookout for that. Ugh. So then the next item is this size 3X cardigan. This is very oversized. I showed you guys this about a year or two ago. Me and my mom went to Walmart and we like racked up on these. We need more of these in more colors. Like my mom got the navy blue one and I didn't get it, and now I want the navy blue one. I forgot, it's something that I got, I think some pants or something. I have this navy blue and I want that sweater to go with it. So I'm probably gonna, this is in the 3X. I really could do a 2X with this because it stretches out a lot. I do like this as this oversized, but I do think for certain looks, like when I want it belted, I want it a little I want to have a little bit more shape. But anyway, I did pair this with this. This is like a monochromatic look. I did pair it with just a black bag, and then I'll probably wear my black shades if it's like sunny outside, or black like combat boot or something like that. This is just this screams fall to me running errands, going to Target, you know, me and my mom going to lunch or something like that. Another look, I put it under the dress. This was a really nice look. I was skeptical about the brown. I really want to get another turtleneck that's really more brown. This is like a grayish brown, but it still worked. I really like this too, you guys. This is when it's a little bit more cooler, but it's like a breeze for a night out or something like that, going to dinner. This is a look. I love this. It's not really a turtleneck. I forgot what kind of neckline this is. I'll see if I can find it and post it like on the screen. But yeah, I really like this. This is from Shein. Also, this is in the 4X. And yes, I like this look. And then lastly, I paired it with this. I just got an idea for it, and it turned out really good. I paired it with my cream bag here. You guys can see it in the video. This is from H&M. I have to go back to H&M as well. For H&M, you can find like all of your basics. So right now, yeah. So I got this look. It got the slit on the side, so it gave it a little bit more shape. This is like, I think it's called a cow neck. I'm not sure, but I really like this. I'll link this below. I'll link everything below. So this was the last look, you guys. I really enjoyed this. This is a very heavy, like medium to heavy fabric, so it does keep me a little bit warm, but your arms are out. So yeah, I really enjoyed this as well. So that is it for the how to style a piece transitioning from like summer to fall and winter. Let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, and I will make sure to post them. I have some ideas in my head, you guys. Like I literally have to get them out, and I have to take pictures and do outfit of the days. Video content is what's it. I will post pictures, but I have to do better with reels and stuff like that. I kind of been slacking, but I am going to be back on it because fall is literally that time to push content like no other. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Make sure you check out all of my social medias, and I'll see you guys in the next video.